Hello and welcome to Appso, data collection mobile app. Do you or your field technicians find yourselves on job sites scrambling to find all the right paper forms, then having to take the time to fill them out by hand? Or taking pictures with your phone, camera, or mobile device and having to remember to upload them to your computer? Or how about having to organize all your notes from all your jobs completed and then having to take the extra step of typing all those notes later in your computer? And doing all these activities hoping everything is accurate. What if there was a way to complete all these activities simply by using your smartphone and an easy-to-use mobile application? How much more efficient and organized would your field technicians be by simply using their smartphones to capture everything your company requires from a job site? They can even work without internet connection and easily sync data to the server. The good news? Appso has data collection solutions built for your business. With Appso, you can instantly create highly customizable apps creation with instant updates. Whatever you change on the back office will instantly reflect on the app for your users when they are in the field. Best of all, the application is on subscription basis, so very cost effective. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your first app instantly and experience how mobile technology can transform your business. Save time, save effort, save money with Appso mobile apps on demand. www.goappso.com or contact us at info@goappso.com.